How are you guys? Have a nice day to all of you. Today in this video series, we are going to learn about data structure and algorithm. Many people have heard this data structure and algorithm in universities. We can do this at any programming language, then we will go directly to the lesson. First of all, we need to know what a data structure is. Here is a data structure is particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. I will explain it with a simple example. Think about your wardrobe. If you have a lot of clothes in the closet, it may be difficult for you to find the clothes you want. But if you imagine how easy it would be for you to find your clothes if you divided the closet into sections and stored them in an orderly manner. Another example is a bookshelf. When the books are divided into categories and stored according to a structure, it becomes much easier for us to find the book we need. So, do you understand that even in everyday life, when we store something, the order in which they are stored is very important to make our work easy, as well as the data of compute. We know that a computer is a device that works with a huge amount of data. That's why when we store any data in a computer, we have to store it according to a certain format and structure. Then we can handle data very easily because we use that structure. I think people who have a programming background will watch this video. If you have learned programming language before, you know about arrays. Then an array is an example of a data structure. Mainly after classifying the data structure, we can see two parts which are linear and nonlinear data structure. A linear data structure includes arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues. Also, nonlinear data structure is a bit complicated. Let's talk about it at the end of this playlist. Things like trees, graphs are related to nonlinear data structure. So I believe you have a rough idea of what a data structure is. Then we have to see what an algorithm is. An algorithm is a set of instructions for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. I will explain it with a small example. You think, I am thirsty, I want to drink a tea. I am thirsty, I want to drink a tea. My problem is that I am thirsty. Then what I need to do is make a tea. Then what should we do if we want to make a tea? Below are the steps to make a tea. Then here is it is like this. We call an instruction set and algorithms. Then call us the algorithm for making a tea. Now you have a simple idea of what an algorithm is. Then here I have given an example of a small process part of an algorithm. We give some input to an algorithm and that algorithm has a set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input. Now imagine that we input some data and when we give it the way we want to process that data will be output at the end of the algorithm. Okay, now I think you have a little idea about data structure and algorithm. We will talk more about these things in future videos. So I will stop this video from here. This is my first YouTube video. If there are any flaws, tell me. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.